After the installation, we will have to commission the system properly in order to use the monitoring system. The monitoring system and the power generation system works independently from each other. Even before the monitoring system becomes online, the solar system starts working immediately after installation. There are 3 LeadSolar apps. One is designed for end users to monitor their own solar system and is available in both the Apple App Store and Google Play. The other 2, one for PLC communications and one for RF or Zigbee communications, are available for installers to commission the system. The Installer app is only available in Google Play, but not in the Apple App Store due to its interactive nature with our hardware. In this section, we will walk you through the steps to commission a Zigbee-based microinverter system. In the app, please enter the total number of microinverters installed in your system. Then click Next. Click on the Scan Individual Barcode to scan the QR codes you collected from the inverters. The IDs of the inverters will be automatically entered into the fields. In the next screen, click on Scan the link SN barcode. You can scan or type in the serial number of the gateway as shown in the picture. Scroll down the screen and enter your installer account information. Note that the installer account has to be pre-established and approved before an installer can proceed with an installation. With your correct installer account information, you can then directly create your customer-specific installation. Enter the customer's information to create a new end-user account and submit. If all the information is correct, the system will prompt that the account has been created successfully as shown in the figure. LeadSolar DigiGateway can be connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or RJ45 Ethernet cable, while the industrial gateway doesn't support Wi-Fi connections. Whenever possible, it is strongly recommended to use the RJ45 Ethernet cable to make the connection from the gateway to the internet router. This is the most secure and reliable way to connect to the internet, since it is straightforward and doesn't require you to configure the local Wi-Fi ID and password. In addition, the Wi-Fi ID and password are subject to future changes by the customers that will disrupt the data communications. If you use Ethernet cable connections, connect the gateway to the router and plug in the power. The system should start working in 5 to 10 minutes if the PV modules are illuminated by sunlight. The following pages are steps to configure Wi-Fi connections for the DigiGateway. Before you proceed, please write down the serial number of the gateway. To configure the Wi-Fi settings of the gateway, you need to have a gateway, a router, an Ethernet cable, and a computer. Follow the procedures as shown in the next series of slides. Number 1. LeadSolar provides each installer a free router for configuring the Wi-Fi for DigiGateway. Please get the router from your distributor. The router can be used to configure all LeadSolar DigiGateways. Number 2. Please use an Ethernet cable to connect the LeadSolar gateway to the provided router. Number 3. Then, use an Ethernet cable to connect your laptop to the provided router. Attention! The laptop shall be disconnected from other Wi-Fi networks and be connected to the provided router only after the gateway is connected. Number 4. Open your browser and type in the IP address shown on the router. Number 5. Log in the internal pages of the gateway. Number 6. Enter the correct information about the local Wi-Fi to configure the system. In the internet browser, type in the IP address for the DigiGateway to log into the internal pages. Click on the wireless network as shown in the screenshots. Click on Run the Wizard and follow the instructions to enter the necessary information. Remember that you need to rerun the wireless wizard each time you want to connect to a new wireless network. Please follow the next slides to set up the Wi-Fi. Please use these demo accounts to practice and learn the features. For technical support, the best way is to email your requests to tech-support@leadsolarenergy.com, so our technical support team will have some time to look into the data history and answer your questions with enough information. We promise to get back to you within 24 hours. Thank you very much for choosing LeadSolar, the leader in microinverter solutions.